At KW Homeopathic Medicine and Wellness Clinic, we treat at the deepest possible level, which is the level of the vital force. The vital force is what keeps your body in balance. We can treat your acute concerns like colds and flus, infections, but also chronic concerns. And this is actually our specialty. We specialize in classical homeopathy. The best treatment is really the constitutional treatment. That is a holistic treatment which incorporates everything, like not only your physical symptoms, but your mental and emotional states as well, because how you think and how you feel does affect you at the physical level. Well, we would be happy to see you at the clinic here. Walk-ins are always welcome. We're here 5 days a week from 9 to 5. The phone number is 519-603-0505. But we also have a nice website, kwhomeopathicmedicine.com.